Welcome. So in today's class, we are going to be using mom or dad's phone to create digital art. So the book week is at the corner. So we are going to be using our dad's phone or mom's phone to create a book cover. So take a look at my own book cover. So we are going to be creating any of these lovely book cover. We like to do this. So let's start immediately. So the first thing you are going to do, go to your phone, go to your mommy's phone or anybody's phone that is around and search for Play Store. So when you search for Play Store, then under Play Store, search for Canva Design. So when you get to Canva Design, then you download Canva Design. So when I'm done with this, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to open. So I open my Canva. So if you have not registered, just use your mom's Gmail account to register your Canva and you'll find yourself around here. So I'm going to start right away. So anytime you see this plus button, this button over here, it simply means that you want to create a lot. So what I'm going to do now, I click on the plus button and the size we are going to be using is called A4 document. Although we can also use so many sizes, but for today's class I'm going to be using A4 document. So A4 document is just like the A4 paper you have with you in school and more. So it's going to pop up something like this. So this is titled design, also called templates. Just scroll down and click on your layout. This is your layout, which is everywhere you are working on right now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to what I'm going to do next is now to click on the plus sign over here also and start. I will click on elements. So when I click on elements over here, I can look for my background and do a lot. So the first book I'm going to be creating right now, the first thing I'm going to look for is the background, and please make sure you know your title before you create your background. So let me look for sky. So when I get my sky, I'm going to be using graphics. I click on sky, then under sky I'm going to enlarge the sky. So if you don't like the sky, you can go back again and look for any other sky that you want. I think I like this particular one. Yes, I like this particular one. So this is the sky. This is the sky I'm going to be using. This is the sky I'm going to be using. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'll click on the plus button again. Then everything I'm going to use to work on this, I'm going to be looking. I will try as much as possible to look for them. So I need a lot to make this book come into reality. Think about your topic first, and I think I should add the topic first. So I will go to text, then I click on add heading, or I can search under text, or let's go to the right one, which is add text, and I'm going to, my title is going to be the wild boy. Hey, so I want it this way. So over here, if I come down, there are lots of options. So I'm going to change the fonts. You can see it is written here, fonts. So I can change the fonts. Let me just search the word children. There's a children font that is very interesting that we can use. Then let me bring the boy down. Okay. Then after this, I make it wider. And I can also go to spacing and space it. Very important. That means I'm done with my title. So the boy, I want to make the boy alone. The boy alone, I can make it another font. So I can make the font alone another the boy alone another font. To do that, what I can do is I erase everything, then I will duplicate or write another one, then write the wide boy. So this is the boy. What makes a book very interesting is the pictures around the book. So very important, we need pictures. So when we talk about the wide boy, that means we need under elements. Go to under elements. I'm going to be making it something like the boy in the jungle. Tree. 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 Let me also go back online and look for as much as possible under tree. Under tree, there are still a lot of tree I can make use of to make this very creative. Okay, and I think I like this particular one. Okay, on that tree. So on each, you can find a lot of pictures as much as you want them on Canva, and if they are paid for, you can easily use them or get Canva Pro, but you can use them for now and download them with the watermark and send back to me. What next again do I need over here? Now I'm going to search the word boy, a boy with leaves. Okay, a boy with leaves. So as much as possible under graphics, I'm going to find this. So I'll look for any type of boy that is holding leaf to use. So look for that. Anything you search is what you will surely find them over there. There are so many things you can actually search, and you will find them immediately. So this is the one I'm going to be making use of, and I think this is not bad. Let me just look for leaves. Okay, graphics. Maybe the boy is okay, more leaves to be used. So this is my book and it's titled The White Boy. Okay, so you can give it for now. This is my work. How do you save? To save your work, just click over here. So when you click over there, then you click on the word download. Then after clicking on the word download, PNG is fine, then you download immediately. So the moment you download, you create endless materials with this. So how do you see this? Yes, my work is done. Then you can go to your mom's gallery, then you find your work immediately. So this is my book cover. So if I'm writing a book, I can easily use this as my book cover, and I'm going to use it, print it out, and use it for a lot. So this is our book with digital art, and I know you love it. So give it a try, and I'll be right back with more video. Thank you.